go to File, New. The image width is 1920 by 1080. Press OK. Press the minus key on your keyboard to zoom out. Fill this layer here with black. I'm just going to drag the foreground color. So here it is. And now create a new layer. Click on this icon. Fill it to transparency and then press OK. And now go to Filter, Render, Pattern, and then select Grid. So I'm going to change the color of the grid. Left click on the color. I'm going to select this color here. The HTML notation is 63D8ED. Press OK. And now unlink the chain icon here to adjust the width and the height of the grid separately. So I'm going to increase the width. For the height, I'm going to increase it as well. So here like this. Going to leave it here. So I'm going to increase the width a little bit. So here. So I'm going to leave it here. For the line width and line height, we're going to increase the lines here size. So if I increase, so here. So I'm going to bring it back to 5 and now press OK. And now select the 3D transform tool. So as you can see, sometimes there is a kind of glitch. You can't see anything. So I'm going to exit. Let's go back. So Ctrl Z to undo. Just go to filter and then repeat grid. It will repeat your grid you did. And now, so here left click. And now here, as you can see, we can see the grid with the 3D transform tool. Make sure to check the rotate. And now I'm just going to increase the value on the X here, on the 1X. Just press the plus on your keyboard. So I'm going to rotate it. So here on the X axis. So here it is like this. And now I'm going to leave it here. Click transform. Select the move tool. Left click, hold the control key and then move it down. So to move it on a straight line like this. So here it is. And now press the minus key on your keyboard to zoom out. And now select the perspective tool. This one here, left click. And now I'm just going to adjust the perspective to my liking. So here like this. I think I'm going to leave it here and now press enter. And now right click on the grid layer, this one here. Right click, layer to image size. And now I just need to remove these parts here. These ones here, just select the free select tool. I'm going to left click to select all the lines here. Like this. Adjust it, press enter, and then just press the delete key on your keyboard. So here it is, and now go to select, deselect, none.